Although it's Twitch, you can't avoid spoilers. Snape kills Dumbledore. Sometimes, yeah. True. Not that often, though. Hi, Frito. Hello. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, people do that all the fucking time, Craven. All the time. Like, you're using Mesa, why aren't you pressing 3? It's like, because I'm not looking at my ability bar because I'm busy talking to fucking... Oh, fuck. Because I'm busy talking to chat. Like, I know that I gotta press certain buttons, but I just don't pay attention. And then chat will be like, I don't even know how to play Mesa, what the fuck? Why aren't you playing your fucking frame right? That's what chat sounds like when they do that shit. Fuck! Help me. Save me. I'm gonna end up on YouTube. Oh. I wanna be on YouTube. Why are you angry at that? Because I get uploaded to... I get uploaded to YouTube when I hiccup. There's a video of me hiccuping with 16,000 views. It's called Beautiful Woman Gets Hiccups. Oh, I'm fucking tired. Mesa build. There you go. I'm sorry, Pip. I'm sorry you're experiencing this. Welcome, though. You coming over to Twitch for the 10 on live tomorrow? Yeah, you can buy X570. I was looking at them. Tell me when you're done looking. Step 3 profit. I don't get any profit though. It's not under my name.
Okay.
Oh, fuck off. That's all, but thank you for the host. You don't need Mesa Waltz. I like Mesa Waltz, but you don't need it. Oh, I've got no one left to play with anymore. It feels bad, man. Oh, the capture's gone. Or are you from stream? Actually? Oh, yeah, for the Necros Prime. Let's do that. Oh, you like my... yeah. I said this already. I'm super... Fucking hell. I'm super proud of my... Super proud of my Mesa. Fuck! Oh, shut up, Robert. Leave me alone. Which is definitely worth it though. They do a lot of like prime frame events where you can get prime frames and stuff. Lots of streams for Twitch drops and that as well. Tower Twitch counts to Warframe. Yeah. You do it on the Warframe website. I think you go to Warframe and then your profile and connections or something and just link it on there. And then you just want... There's an exclamation point in a live command that you can read as well. I would recommend the Ryzen if you're a content creator, or if you do things that are tedious for your CPU or play CPU heavy games, I guess. But I think Intel gives you more FPS and runs cooler, so yeah. I only have a 1700X though, so I haven't used that beefy boy. Mine is overclocked, so I have an overclocked 1700. Well, good luck, Apparition. you the best with that. Streaming's a lot of fun. Until your chat turns into little shits. Wait, are they really gonna announce more? Fucking Jesus Christ! Wait, I got an idea. Let me try something. Shit, I wasn't ready.
My warframe is strong.
I'm getting ready. I'm gonna stop hiccuping now. Just watch. No, fuck, I wasn't ready. Oh my god, body, tell me when you're gonna hiccup. I wanna try something funny. Never mind. Stop clipping the fucking hiccups, you butthole. You're all banned. You're all banned. All of you. Everyone who even hears my hiccups are banned. You're all banned. Oodles. See, now you're banned. Enjoy. Just go here. Now you're banned. Oh my god, end me, please.